Hello friend, welcome to my another video. I will talk about the use of computer in everyday life. Modern age is an age of science technology. We see the influence of science and technology in every sphere of life. Computer is one of the most amazing invention of modern science. It is a ultra modern program device for storing and analyzing information feed into it. It has stimulated unique dynamism in modern life. With the help of computer, man has gone a long way in facing the diverse problem and challenge of modern life. World with free flow of information is the demand of recent days. This modern trend has given birth to the idea of information technology and global village as well. We cannot think of global village without unhindered flow of information, and computer has made possible the revolution in information technology. We simply cannot think of our modern life without internet and email again. Internet and internet and email immensely help man to invented the idea of e-commerce. Internet and email help man to collect information swiftly from any part of home and abroad and analyze them. Besides digital telecommunication system is all computer controlled. Computer has made modern communication not only dynamic and disciplined but also sound. Computer device mostly control air. Most now pilot and other crew can know the necessary information by pressing a key to the computer. Computer clicks security measure in the airport. Beside, with the help of computer, we can know the unknown and see the unseen of space. In the field of education, computer is largely being used for preparing result and evaluating answer. Script computer is used the student of the developed countries use computer to prepare the student. Methods based to stop a book are composed with the help of computer within a very short time. Now a desk computer is used to diagnose diseases, a new process of Operation has been invented by computer as an alternative of security. A Diogenes center cannot work without a computer system. Moreover, it has made definite pathological test and surrogation operations in modern time. Business, commerce, and trade cannot be thought of without computer. It prepares document, make list, and stores information. The management use computer to take decision. The computer is a blessing for modern banking system, whether for forecasting, playing access, and compressing news are run by computer. It is also used to extract mineral. Educational, institutional, banking sector, research institution it are using computer for various purposes. There are opportunities to study computer science in university level. Based a course on computer has been introduced in secondary and higher secondary level. It is incorporated that the most modern and biggest computer of the country has been set up recently, and at the computer science institute. The day is not so far when computer will be used all sector of Bangladesh to solve hard defense problem. Modern life is computer dictated. We cannot even think a moment without computer. If there is no computer, modern life will lose its charm and beauty. In fact, computer is a fundamental part of modern life. Now I am talk about science. No. Now I am talk about importance of computer education. Science has sought plenty of new invention of the age and comfort of human being. Computer is one of them. It is the best invention of modern science, as it has opened a lot new sports of knowledge and org. Since the primitive time man improvised, he has written new things just to solve the problem of life, to save time and to earn human. Please, computer has so far given the scope of but knowledge and earning for the people. A nation should be skilled in computer education just to keep pace with the iced world. Otherwise, it will lag behind. The root of computer is computed. That means to do math or to calculate something. It is a ice from storing and analyzing information feed into it. It make calcu- calculation calculation and controls machinery automatically. It is a set of our things. Generally a monitor which has a PC, a mouse and keyboard. The main part of a personal computer are either input unit, the out unit, CPU or central processing unit. CPU is further format of 3 unit ICR, memory unit, center command unit, arithmetic unit. The computer has entered its fourth generation and the important is still going on. The IBM, the ES.8 are facing computer as computer can be used in every respect of life. Important is very great. It face use in all commercial sector, public instrument research, French space technologies, university, college and school. Information technology and internet has given it a new dimension. People who learn it and become skilled are good professional. They have become the state of country. Computer literate people are also in high demand in overseas country. If our country can product high skilled professional in computer, they can be sent abroad and in return can earn high amount of population generation. A country can also export hardware and software and those and population money. India, our closest neighbor, has achieved great success in the field. The world has advanced tremendously. It will be foolish not to keep pace with the advancement of the world. If a country can manipulate the modern tools and technologies, it will soar success. And so far, computer is the magic tool. By learning which we can change our life standard. We all should come forward to take the full benefit of this boon of science. Thank you.